Hey everyone, Chris here from Real Rideshare Stories. If you're new to the channel and you're looking for different things within the rideshare industry, whether it's news, tips and tricks for passengers and drivers, or what actually happens on real rideshare rides, start now by hitting that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. And also make sure to check the description below for other helpful information and tips. Have you ever been at work or at school or just going on with your life and all of a sudden you get a text from your phone and you check it and you get something that looks like this where it says, Uber code is a 4-digit code. Never share this code with anyone. Reply stop to unsubscribe. And you're just kind of going on with your life and you don't know where this thing is coming from. Don't worry. It's not a problem. It's not a scam or anything. Unfortunately, it's something that happens, and this is something that has been happening for many years with Uber when you create an account. Now, you might not be creating an account at that time and getting this text, which a lot of people are, and that's why this video is being made. But this is something that happens when somebody else is trying to make an account and they type in the wrong number by a typo and they accidentally put yours instead. Or it could be a bot that's trying to create accounts and use phone numbers and just happens to randomly put in yours. So when you get these text messages that look exactly like this, that is not a problem. Don't worry. You don't need to worry. There's nothing going on with your account if you have one, whatever it might be, because you need that 4-digit code in order to finish signing up for using Uber. So if they don't have that code, then they're not going to be able to finish signing up, and that doesn't mean, and that means they will not be able to use your phone number to create an account. So again, don't worry about it. If you get a code like this, there's no issues. If you get it often or something because of whatever reason, that means there might be a bot that is trying to do that and just continuing to push out numbers to try to create fake accounts. So if you see something like that happening more often or multiple times, all you got to do is just hit stop to unsubscribe, and you won't get that message anymore. So if anybody tries to put in your number or accidentally puts in your number, no problem whatsoever. Now, if you're getting a random text from a random number that you don't know at a random time and it contains some sort of link in it, chances are that is going to be a scam. So it's not something like what I showed you earlier where it's just a 4-digit code and it's usually just a mistake and there's no problem to your account or whatever. But if you're receiving something on the other side where it does contain a text link, then that is something that you want to delete right away and do not click that link. So if it looks like it's coming from Uber or Lyft, and again, it's just a random number at a random time, and it says something like, please verify your account, click here, or please provide additional information, click here, or whatever it might be, whether it's Uber and Lyft or any other company out there, it's a major scam that's going on all over the place, and it's designed to do one of two things. It could either try to install malware on your phone, which could see what you're doing, get access to certain information, or install a keylogger on your phone where it can track what you type. And if you visit your bank or something that needs a password like email or Facebook, they can get that password, and then chances are can hack into a lot of other things as well. So you don't want to click that link. Also, it could take you to a website where it's designed to get certain information from you, like your name, your address, your phone number, maybe social security number, a lot of different things there. So if you see something like that where you get a text message and then it has this random link involved in it, do not click that link. Just delete the message right away because you don't want to run the risk of getting hacked in any way, shape, or form. Now, one other tip to know as well too, if you ever receive some sort of text and you're not sure if it's from the company or not because it looks like it might, it's going to tell you with the link itself. So you'll be able to see the link. If you see something like a bit.ly link or some random generated link, that is going to definitely be a scam or a phishing or whatever it might be, so do not click that link. The only time it is actually really legitimate is if you see the actual website that it is linking to. So if you see something like uber.com or lyft.com or netflix.com or facebook.com or any of the websites that it actually is, that will be a legitimate link, and then you know that that is from the actual number itself versus versus some random generated phone number trying to hack your information. So again, if you see that random text with the random link and you don't know how to make sense of it, just delete it right away. Do not click it. Now, have you ever clicked that link accidentally? Let me know what happened and what course of action you may had to take. Comment below and let me know. Now that's the end of today's video. Hope you guys remember that if you get that random text from Uber that says the code, do not worry, it's no problem. Don't worry about it. But if you do get a random text from a random person with a link, do not click that link because chances are that is a problem. Now make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you'll be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Make sure to check the description below for other helpful information and tips. And as always, never drink and drive, always tip your drivers, and we'll see you next time.